In this video, we're going to build a basic expert advisor that implements a trailing stop loss, one that automatically moves up as price increases to lock in profits. Let's get started. So first, open Meta Editor by clicking the IDE icon. Now click New Expert Advisor from Template. Next, give it a name. You can call yours any name you like. I'll call mine Trail Expert Buy. Then we click Next, Next, and Finish. This will create the template Expert Advisor. Now delete everything above the onTick function and also remove the two comment lines at the bottom. Next, we need to include the standard trade functions. This gives us access to the cTrade class, which we will use to manage our trades. Let's now create an instance of cTrade. Before we can test a trailing stop, we need an open trade. To do that, we need the current ask price. This gets the current ask price for the chart symbol and formats it correctly based on the number of digits. Now we'll open a basic buy position, but only if there are no existing trades. And bear in mind, this is just for testing only. On a real account, you'd only trade with proper entry logic. Okay, so now that we have a position, we can call our trailing stop function. Let's create that function now. We define our custom function like this. Inside, we calculate the new desired stop loss, 150 points below the ask price. Since MT5 supports multiple positions, we will loop through them using a simple for loop. For each position, we check if it belongs to the current chart symbol. Then we retrieve the ticket number and the current stop loss. Now we compare the stop levels. If the current stop is lower than our new calculated stop, we raise it by modifying the position. And that's it, the stop loss will now trail upward as price rises. We hit compile, make sure there are no errors. If there's no errors, we go back to MT5, we open the strategy tester, click view, strategy tester, load the file that we just created, make sure visual mode is enabled and start a test. You will now see your trailing stop adjusting live on the chart as price moves. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.